You're here.
I'm here. Good morning,
and we can
Justine.
hear you. All right,
Yay.
high five to that. So Summit Mountain Rentals, you guys have won Best in the County for 6 years?
6 years in a row, yeah. We consider ourselves Summit County's vacation rental experts.
Okay.
Everything to do with quality vacation rentals in Summit County. Best of Summit County 6 years in a row, and properties in Breckenridge and Frisco.
Excellent. Well, and I think it's interesting too because so you always hear about vacation rentals. I mean, you hear about that, but then a lot of people, maybe locals that live up here, maybe they go out of town for a month or two, or they're looking to maybe put their home in the rental pool. You guys can help with that because that's kind of a unique service that you offer.
Oh, absolutely. And the vacation rental, we're talking this morning about renovation. So people that currently have properties in the market or would like to put their property in the market, we're there to help.
Excellent. Well, I mean, I think, like I said, that's kind of something that you don't necessarily think about. You always think about, oh, I have people coming into town, or I want to look into, having people rent something, but it's not, not vice versa. So when it comes to making improvements on properties to make them more attractive as renters, what kind of advice do you guys have?
Well, we look at it from a qualitative and a quantitative aspect. So qualitatively, it's great to do that remodel or renovation on your home because it's a wonderful place for you and your family to hang out.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it also takes beautiful pictures from a qualitative aspect, and renters really enjoy that. Quantitatively, we see increased occupancy. 90% of all bookings are done online, so great pictures of a great property really work.
Really make a difference, okay.
Increased average daily rate, and then more net income for
well, that's always good.
the owner.
I mean,
absolutely.
the bottom line, right? That always makes a huge difference.
You'll also see great resale value when you do a renovation.
Right, exactly. So I think that's the nice thing about when you do renovations, that you know that the money you invest will come back to you, and maybe even more so than what you put into it, which is always a bonus. So when should owners consider a kitchen remodel?
A kitchen remodel. We always think that a kitchen remodel is a great place to start because people really choose that vacation rental property over, say, a hotel because they want a place to cook.
Oh, so, absolutely. It's like a kitchen party.
And we know where all parties end up, in the kitchen.
Always.
Exactly.
I don't know why that is, but it's just a kitchen party.
So we look at the kitchens first, and there are, in terms of a complete remodel, you'd look at a few different categories: cabinets, countertops, appliances, and flooring. So if you're looking at a complete remodel, those are the four things. Obviously, granite countertops, new cabinets look great, or painted or refreshed cabinets.
Sure.
Hardwood or tile flooring is wonderful, and now stainless steel appliances or even above beyond there make a great touch to the kitchen.
Well, we remodeled our kitchen ourselves, and I have to say I had to have all of those things in my kitchen, and I love it. I mean, I just love it. It's so nice. It's so pleasant. It's pleasant to be in. It's pleasant to cook in. It's just a nice, comfortable place to be, for you and your guests and your family.
And if you're looking at that linoleum, Harvest Gold, or avocado refrigerator, it may be time for an upgrade.
Okay, I didn't even know that stuff still existed.
It does. It's out there.
Groovy.
And people don't, I mean, we look at the remodel, a complete remodel. It's obviously expensive. There's a lot of payback. But you can do certain things just to upkeep your kitchen, make it refresh it,
I was going to say, so are there ways you can kind of get around this so you don't have the budget for a complete kitchen remodel?
Oh, absolutely. So you can refresh, reface, repaint cabinets. You can also add new cabinet hardware. You can change lighting. New paint in the kitchen goes a long way.
Oh, it's like the little things sometimes just make the biggest difference. It just brightens it up and cleans it up a bit, I feel like. And it just looks cleaner, because you want a kitchen to look clean and feel clean too.
It absolutely should.
I think that's important. So you guys are happy to help property owners with any questions they might have. So kind of explain, some questions that you guys, may be able to answer, because I think it's really neat. You guys really go above and beyond. Your blog is really great. I mean, you guys talk about everything from soup to nuts.
Absolutely, and as I mentioned, we're the vacation rental experts here in Summit County. So we're happy to help anyone, whether they're renting on their own through a different company, where they're considering renting, or even our own owners. Absolutely, ask us a question. We have offices in Frisco and Breckenridge.
Okay.
We've got a great website with a wonderful blog. If you looked at that, our website, went to the blog, and then took it down to the homeowner knowledge, it would give you answers to these questions and a lot more.
Well, and I think that's what's so cool about it. It's not, I mean, it's a it's a vacation home rental website, but it's so much more than that because you guys do have so much great information on there. I mean, you guys really do take pride in your blog, and I think it's a wonderful asset that we have here in the High Country.
We're happy to help.
So if folks want to learn more information about Summit Mountain Rentals, should they stop by? Should they go to the website? Should they call you? What should they do?
Come by. Offices Main Street Breckenridge, Main Street Frisco. Call us on the phone, 970-453-7370, or visit us on the web, summitrentals.com.
Perfect. Well, and you can stop by yourself, say hi to my friend David, and get some knowledge for yourself. See, maybe you're thinking about putting your home in the rental pool. You guys can help out with that.
Absolutely.
Or maybe you have friends coming into town this summer and you just don't feel like housing them. You guys can help with that
call
too.
Us. Give us a call.
David, thank you so much for joining me this morning. Always good to see you.
You as well.
We have more Summit Sunrise coming your way, folks, so don't go anywhere, and we'll be right back.